Arvind, are you able to hear me?
Yes, Divya. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Vidya and Chandana, did you get these credentials?
No, actually, Praveen asked my mail ID yesterday.
Okay.
He said he'll be sending it, but till now I did not get it.
Okay. Priya, are you practicing? You have the credentials, no?
Yes, yes, I'm practicing, Divya.
Okay, you are getting everything, huh? Any doubts there?
Doubts, yes, I have a doubt. See, once we enter object, how to see as an end user?
Sorry?
So once if we enter an object, you created legal entity, no, that day?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So as an end user, how to see it?
In managed data.
So today you'll be showing that, right?
Yes, yes. We have already discussed that. We have already
Okay.
discussed that. Today I'm configuring again cost center so that
Okay.
you'll have a clear on it. So I'm going to configure object definitions and I'm going for cost center. Okay. And I'm doing requirement as per the project. Okay, here as I told you, start date, status and end date we need not to touch. So I'm going to external code. What here they have given external code, cost center code, mandatory yes, required yes. So label we'll keep it as for our understanding I'm giving as cost center D and external code. Okay, I'm making it as 32 details. Cost center code, it is already there, so I'll make it as cost center CC code. Okay, and star mark is required. Yes. Next we are going with name, translatable 90, cost center name 90, translatable. Instead of CC cost center name I'm making it as CC name. Star mark is also required. Yes. And I'm going for the description, translatable 128, yes, no star mark. 128 translatable, editable, no star mark, description. Okay, next effective status, as I told I will not touch it. And cost center manager, here they have given users, right? Cost center manager user. Star mark, no. So no star mark and I'm saving it. See, now it is changed to cost center D, and where I'll check this is in manage data. Manage data. Priya, this is the front end. Okay.
Okay.
Here I will select the cost center D and I'll select the cost center because these are all already mapped. Okay. See, if we see here, it has become CC code, CC name, CC description, status, and here we have Vidya. We need to really remove this Vidya from here. So I need to go again, take action. I'm making Vidya as not visible. Let us save this. I'm refreshing this page. See, Vidya is not there now. And here you can see like department, legal entity, division. No, why these are shown is like these are associated. Okay, this associations part we'll see tomorrow. How we will associate like this. Okay, here the associations will. And before going that, I want to explain you some fields here. Okay, as I told you, we can add n number of. See here, you are able to see this department, legal entity, division, right? So these associations are here. It is there. If I don't want to show that, I'll make this also as not visible, and I'll save. And if I keep this as not visible and I save, so I'm saving this page now. Okay, if I replicate this page, see, now we are not able to see the department, legal entity, right? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Divya.
Divya.
Yes, no? Yes. Because why we have seen that is here we have given associations. These are all called as associations. We will see this topic tomorrow. How we will map each and like I told you in the initial stage we will configure each and every field, right? Legal entity, business unit, cost center, location. After building all this, then we will do associations. Okay. And if I go here and make correction, so I want to add some custom fields. Okay. For example, I'm adding Priya. Okay. 120 characters with already you have seen string, right? So for Arvind understanding, I'm keeping Priya as also user. Okay. And for users, if you see, we need to give this worker field renderer. Then only we can able to see. So if I don't select that worker field renderer here, so it is like editable active. Okay. Let's see how it shows. I'm inserting new record, today's date, proceed. See, here I am able to see this blank box. So I need to get this drop downs as these users. So what I need to do is I'm taking correction, going to Priya and adding this worker field renderer, and I'm saving this. Then if I refresh this page, and I'm adding new record with the date, and See, now we are able to see the users, right? Are you able to follow me?
Yeah.
So I'm going back and I'm adding one more field
Divya,
as
Divya,
yes, Vidya.
I am Priya here.
Yeah,
Divya,
Priya.
I have one suggestion here. So here
Yes.
you are giving our name, no, Vidya, Priya, Chandana, and all. Instead
Yes.
of that, in real scenarios, what actually they'll be using under cost center, like extra fields in some companies, they'll be adding, no. So if you teach us that, that would be really good thing for us to
Like
understand.
if you see this page, okay, they have
Yeah.
not asked me anything. So if they want any fields like that, what they will do
Yeah,
is
yeah, you will be knowing, no, like what comes under the cost center extra thing.
yes. So
Yeah.
if they want to add some in cost center, so if they want to add any custom field like mm, so they want to add site here, okay, in cost center, and I'm making it as 90 characters and I'm giving it as attachment, or else I'll do it as bullet, okay, and I'm saving this. See here we can see yes no as I have given boolean, right? Okay, and I'm going back here. Make correction. In the same way, for cost center, if they want so I can add this custom field here, finance company code, that also I can add it here, finance, okay, I'm giving field as 120 and I'm making it as an attachment, okay, and I'm saving this. So it is asking for mandatory association because that is there is some rule, even though we can go ahead. See, now it is asking me to upload attachment. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Uh, in,
Yeah.
this, in the same way, we have some more features like date, enum we have already seen for active, inactive, right? For status. So let us go for this foundation and generic objects. Then pick, I'll show you one pick list. Then we'll move to custom objects. Okay. Then if I give here list of employees and making here as 20
Should
characters.
we be knowing like for finance we should give attachment, for site we will
Yes,
be
yes,
giving
they
all
will
this.
mention it here. They will
It is
mention.
mentioned here.
Yes, yes. See here
Okay.
they have mentioned enam for the status, date in for the end date, translatable, string. What they require, they'll mention it.
Okay.
Even if you see here, users if they want here, head of unit, they want user, then they'll mention it as user. Okay.
Okay.
Generic object. If they want generic object for this cost center, they'll give us generic object. Okay. Location group. Okay. As as per their requirement, we need to modify as per the workbook.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
So for your information, I'm explaining you all the things so that it will be clear for you.
Yes, yes, Divya.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm going for the date and all are common things.
Mhm.
Okay. If you want me to show one date also, I'll show you. Or else I'll go for the foundation data.
Can you explain that Boolean once again? Because I lost that. I forgot, I think, when you explained before, but I think I forgot.
Boolean means yes, no. If you see here, if I
Okay.
give their option as Boolean, then I can
Mhm.
see this yes, no.
Yes, no. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And if I
Yeah.
give attachment, it will show
Okay.
as upload
Upload.
attachment.
Okay.
Okay. Then if
Yeah.
I'm giving here foundation object, I need to go and I need to give some valid source. That means if I'm giving, Arvind, are you able to follow me? Hello. Hello. So I need to give, I have selected generic object, right? I need to give this code. We should not give the label. We need to give the external code. Okay. Even though it is in small letters or capital letters, as it is, we need to give here for value, valid value sources. So I need to give this and I need to select it done and I'm saving it. List of employee violates the name must, okay. See, here why it is showing an error, I have given some spaces. For external codes, we should not give any spaces. So I need to give like this and I need to change the label name. Employees, new companies. I'm saving it. Employer violates the name convention. The name must begin with a letter of underscore. There is one more space here. I have select. It is showing an error. Why? Because I have selected here foundation object, right? Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Divya, yes.
So here I have selected foundation object and I have taken generic object, right? That is the reason it is showing an error. So here if I select the generic object and I am saving this. So it is saved now, right? So I'm going to manage data. I'm reloading this page and I'm inserting record. See, now here I can able to see companies because I have selected legal entity as a reference, right?
Yeah.
So now I am able to see the companies. Is it clear, Vidya? Priya, Chandana,
Yes, Divya, clear.
Arvind? Arvind, are you there? Hello? Okay.
Yeah,
Arvind,
Divya.
yeah. Is it clear, Arvind?
Yes, Divya, to some extent, have some net issues today. There is some short circuit here, so
Okay,
I'll
okay.
anyways go through the recording again. Don't worry.
Sure, sure, sure. So I'm going for the next field as foundation data. Here I'm taking as, for example, I want to go for the location as my foundation data, and I'm taking 128 characters, and I'm taking here as foundation object. Okay. So if I again take here of generic objects, it will throw an error. If I select here generic object and I'm selecting foundation object, again it shows an error. Okay. So if I want to go for the generic object, I need to, now we have selected foundation object. So where we will select these foundation objects? In XML templates, right? We'll configure it in XML templates,
Yes.
right? So I need to go for the XML template. So if I go to the table view, we are able to see this 17, right? These are all called as HRIS elements. Okay. These are the external codes, standard external codes. So we need to give this foundation nodes. I have selected location. So I am going for location HRIS element. This code I am going to copy and I am going to paste it here in valid value source. Okay, and I'm saving this. If I go here and I refresh this page, I'm inserting record and see, if you see here, we can see all the locations. Correct? Are you able to follow me?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Uh, these all will be given by the client because here in cost center they have not mentioned anything, only they have asked for user for cost center manager. Okay, if they want to add some support person or some team members, okay, for some employees they will give, if he is an employee they'll give as user. If he is not an employee, if he required some location or something, then they will mention as location and they will give as foundation object here, and they will give the list of foundation list of locations, as here they have mentioned list of users, right? If you go here in business unit, so here if you see They are asking head of unit. Users we have already seen. Yeah. Then department. So here if you see cost center, they are giving as generic object. Type. In type they will clearly mention what they required here. They are asking the generic objects, and cost center generic objects they are asking here. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll select generic object and we'll keep valid value sources as cost center. Okay, now here we have given company, no, in the same way we'll give as cost center. We need to select here cost center. Okay, we need to give this value in the valid source. Okay, this cost center. Then if, as per this requirement, if I am selecting the correction and I am giving here as head of unit of unit. Okay, and I'm giving as 123 characters, and I'm here giving as again generic object. Okay, because I want to show you the cost center, so I have copied that cost center. Okay, and I'm pasting it here and I'm doing it done, saving this. So if I go here manage data and refresh, select it, proceed, here I can see all the cost centers. Okay, in this way we'll add fields as per the client requirement. Custom fields we'll add as per the client requirements. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, Divya.
So now we'll go to the custom MDF. Again, here we have seen create generic objects, right? All custom MDF object. For configuring this custom MDF object, we need to first go to configure object. We need to give this CS permission. Then we need to give manage UI,
Anna, vara.
configure people profile, employee view permissions.
Amazon.
We need to give all this. So if for example, looking new sheet here, if you see, we have two types.
Divya can't get you clearly, Divya.
Sorry,
Background noise, Divya.
from my side, I think it is from Priya. Can you mute?
Just now I have, and just now to speak to you, I have.
Okay, okay. Tell me, Priya. Is it clear? Okay. We have two types of custom MDF. One is org level. Other is employee. So how we will construct these two different types of MDF, custom MDF? Let's see. So first I am going to org level. I am selecting here and I am selecting custom object definition. And here I am selecting custom as, for example, what we say, infrastructure. Okay. I'm selecting this custom MDF as infrastructure and giving here as infra. And description also I'm giving the same. And here we have only external code and external name, right? We need to configure all what are required for this infrastructure. So first external name I'm giving as a code and making as editable star mark, and I'm saving this. And name also I'm giving as name. Okay, no star mark, so I'll give this. Okay, I'll give no star mark only, and I'm saving here. And I'm giving custom object as laptop, for example. Okay, 120 or 90, and making as pick list. Okay, and I'm saving here, and I'm giving value as laptop. And I'm making as no star mark, editable, active, or label as laptop, and I'm saving it done. Here I have selected the laptop names as pick list, correct? So I need to create one pick list here. Enter. And new pick list code. I need to give the same name. Okay, giving here name also same, and I'm saving this, and I'm adding values here as HP. Saving, and Dell, saving, and giving Lenovo. Okay, I'm giving these three values. Okay, and I'm saving this, and I'm giving what infrastructures we required. Employees. I'm giving 120 characters, and here I'm selecting user. And okay, I'm saving this.
What is that work render field, Divya?
Okay, I'll show you. I'm duplicating it. So here we have taken in cost center. Okay, going back to cost center. As I told you here, for users, whenever you are taking users, okay, we are referring the user name, we are referring this, we are calling these users here. Okay, as for foundation data, we are giving some external code, right? This.
Yeah.
Yes.
So here we are giving for generic object and foundation object, we are giving value valued sources here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
In UI level, I'm asking user to come. What are all users are there? That worker field render, if I give this only, then it will accept it. It will take from there.
So for all the users, we have to make sure we are giving this
Yes.
work.
For all, if you are selecting this user, you need to give this worker field rendering. Then only it will call the users.
Okay.
Okay. And I'm
Yes.
saving this. Effective dating is required. Effective date. So start date we required. I'm giving it as date. Okay. Saving this. Effective date. It is asking effective date. We need to take it from here. This is the effective start date external code. That external code only it is asking. Okay, I'm giving it here and I'm saying again it is asking why.
I think it's the second one from the top. The second.
Second, yeah, here we have given
No,
no.
not here on the top. Yeah,
Yeah,
here.
I'm sorry. This basic I need to select because it is an independent object, right? All the MDF objects and custom MDF objects are independent, and as I told you, if anything is depending here, then we'll take it from parent. Okay, basic I have changed, yeah, and I'm saving it here. Okay, it is successfully saved. And for this custom objects, what we have to do is here we need to give permissions. The security we need to give yes, and we need to give this miscellaneous permissions. Always we need to select this. Okay, then I'm saving it here. And I need to go to manage permission rules. So for your understanding, let me see here. I have selected this infrastructure, right? If I call this infrastructure here, it is showing there are no results, even though if I reload it and I'm again going to manage data, manage data. Okay, if I call it here, it will not take. In configure objects also, if I call it here, if I call it here, it is taking. Here we have given, why it is taking here is, we have given miscellaneous permissions in the down, right? We have given this permissions, that is the reason it is showing here, but it is not showing in the manage data. Even though if you search here, it is showing there were no results, right? So if you want to show it here, what we need to do is need to go for manage permission rules. And I am selecting, for example, here. I'm going for permission, miscellaneous permissions. So here I can see that infrastructure which we have created there, no? See, now it is coming here, right? So to show in managed data, I need to give view current, view history, create, insert, correct, delete, import, export, and field overrides I'm not giving, and I'm selecting it done. So I'm saving these changes. If I call, I'm refreshing this page now. And if I call infrastructure now, it is coming in managed data, right? Are you able to understand?
Yes, Divya.
Yes, Divya.
So because there is no record, so I need to create one record, and I'm giving infra code as 123 and name as 123 only. Okay, giving laptops. I have selected the pick list, right? Here I am able to see the pick list, and employees I have selected the users. So I am able to see the users, and start date. I have given two start dates. So I don't want to. I am going it for not visible. Make correction. This dates I am making as not visible. Name this also not visible. I am saving it. So even though if you select here miscellaneous, it will take us for the configuration. Okay. It will show in configuration page. To show in the managed data, we need to go for permissions only. Okay. See, now it is this. So if I am selecting, I have showed you how the custom MDF is created. Any doubt here for the custom MDF?
No, Divya.
No. Everyone is clear?
Yes, Divya.
Yes. So if I want to create in employee level, I told you here we have two types. One is organization level. Okay. One is employee level. If you want to show in employee profile, okay, then how we will create? Again, I need to go for configure object definitions. Here I am selecting object definitions, and here I am giving as in employee level, right? For example, I want to show in employee level laptop creating as custom object. Okay, in employee level I need to map this. Okay, I'm giving the label also laptop. Okay, and it is basic. Okay, and here I'm giving laptops, selecting as pick list. I've already created it, right? So I'm giving that pick list. And here for the employee level, what we need to do is, here we need to keep it as, we need to give the miscellaneous permissions, and I'm saving this. And we need to give, if you see here, first configure object definitions, miscellaneous permissions, then manage configure UI also I need to give. So I'm saving this. We have permission. I am giving permissions here. And saving these changes. And I also need to map it in manage configure UI level and user level. UI means user level. So I'm giving here in manage UI. So I need to create one UI, then only it will add to employee level. I'm giving here ID as 1 2 3 4 5 and selecting object as laptop, which we have created. And here what are all star marks are there, that is mandatory, then only it will create 3 4 5 6. And date I'm selecting, it is not mandatory, that means oh, I need to refresh. Giving that 1 2 3 4 5 6, selecting lab 1 2 3 4 5, start date. So here it is not taking values, it should take a, maybe it is showing some error. Okay, if I delete it, so I'm saving it here. Okay, now after this I need to go for configure people profile. Okay, going for configure so this is how we'll this is the page where we'll configure people page. Okay, like if I'm going for test, So we are able to see this page, right? We are able to see this page, and profile, employee information, these are visible for us. So here we will configure it. Where is this? Here profile, employee site, employment information. Here we will configure it. We'll see how we'll configure it in the next class. So before that, I have given user permission, and I'm mapping it to people profile. This is people profile page. So I need to go and I need to add a new section in the untitled. I'll make it as laptop. Here also I need to give us okay. Here in place block, here what I'll do is here I'll select live MDF. Giving live profile. Okay, and I'm saving this. Now I map it to configure people profile and employee view permission. Now it is mapped, and I'm going for this role. Permission, employee views. Okay, here I need to select that laptop. I'm giving permission here, and I'm saving it. I'm saving these changes. And if I go here, I can see the laptop. So I want to see it in the top. So I am dragging it so that it will be visible to us in the starting. Here I am placing it. I am saving this. And I want to change this as so if I refresh this page, it will take some time to load it here. So let us wait for some time because it will take some time to show it here because there are so many fields here. It will come like this here. So before that we can see making corrections. So here we have some arrows, right? Are you able to follow me? Any confusion? Hello.
Yeah, we could able to see the arrows.
Yes, yes. So if I want to keep this laptops is there, no, I can move it up also like this. So if I want to show it in top, then I can move it here. If I want to show down, I can select the down arrow. Okay, like that we can change the fields. So this fields which we are seeing here, no, in manage data. Now we have selected laptop. So here I can able to see here laptops and start date, external link. So I want to change the laptop field. Okay, where it is here. And the fourth. So I am making it as third. Okay, I'm saving it here. Saving this. See, now it is coming up, right? In that way we can select it. Yeah, now it is coming. Okay, is it clear? Any doubts? Any doubts?
Clear.
No,
How
Divya.
to create custom MDF and in organization level and user level, are you clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Priya, are you clear?
Yes, Divya. Divya, earlier that pick list was not coming, but now it has come, right?
Yes, yes, because sometimes it will take some time.
Okay.
For loading, it takes some time. Okay,
Okay.
here the laptop should show, but it is still taking some time.
Okay.
Okay, it should come here. I'm waiting for that to load. Sometimes it takes time. See here, it should come in the starting because I have kept it configure people profile. I have kept it starting, but it is showing. So there are so many fields, so it is taking lot of time. So one side. So it has created it again. It is still taking some time. Huh? To the project. I think it is taking some time. Let's see this field again on Monday. Anyways, we need to create this blog also. How we'll create this blog and all, we'll see on that day. Okay? Is it clear? Any doubts, you can talk to me. Clear?
Yes, Divya.
Okay. So we'll meet you again on Monday.
Yes,
And
Divya.
Monday we'll have associations as well as blogs. How we'll
Okay.
create this profile and all.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye-bye. Divya, can you share that worksheet?
I have shared now already.
Is there?
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Bye.
Bye, Divya.
Bye.